Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. Our 100% AI-generated news content is based on real-time events and is uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Before diving into the news, we would like to thank Kyle Gray, Michael Coulter, Automated Shenanigans, Lauren D., and Gray Vance, our most recent subscribers to the channel. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of our community. Xrp New News Update. In a significant move aligned with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's ongoing efforts to classify cryptocurrencies as securities, a recent study commissioned by the European Parliament presents a parallel perspective. The study serves as a catalyst for further legislative regulation within the European Union, calling for cryptocurrencies to adhere to authorization requirements. With a focus on enhancing security, members of the European Parliament initiated the investigation, advocating for the treatment of all crypto assets on par with transferable securities. The recent enforcement of the markets in crypto assets, MiCA, regulation by the EU has effectively consigned the once cherished anonymity among crypto enthusiasts to the past. This stringent rule not only affects the crypto industry, but also significantly curtails the anonymity previously associated with digital assets for traders and buyers. Nonetheless, the debate surrounding crypto asset regulation is far from settled. Many members perceive the current regulation as an initial step among a series of legislative constraints. The Commission study is seen as a pivotal milestone in shaping the future treatment of crypto assets. Interestingly, the challenging period of the recent crypto market downturn inadvertently contributed to the developments at hand. The insights gained during this phase are expected to influence forthcoming regulations, with the study serving as a catalyst for further actions. The authors of the study predict a range of issues that could arise if authorities do not classify cryptocurrencies as securities. They advocate for this classification to be applied to both existing and new cryptocurrencies, including emerging ones like Wall Street memes. The report emphasizes the necessity of this categorization to address potential issues effectively. Specifically, the authors express concerns regarding 1. Insufficient legal clarity concerning fundamental concepts of private contracting. 2. Inadequate legal security within the framework of EU financial regulation. 3. Lack of transparency. 4. Technical complexities associated with custody and settlement. For those who believed that the MiCA regulation would definitively resolve the treatment of crypto assets in Europe, disappointment may ensue. The regulation appears to be just the beginning, reinforcing the belief of skeptics that additional legal provisions will be necessary. Given the circumstances, the outcome of the ongoing lawsuit between the SEC and Ripple, concerning the classification of XRP as a security, could significantly impact the overall narrative. If the SEC fails to classify XRP as a security, it would bolster the claims of numerous experts asserting that cryptocurrencies are not securities. However, a favorable verdict could trigger a wave of regulations that may eventually extend to Europe. Xrp New News Update. Despite facing legal pressure from the SEC's lawsuit, XRP has demonstrated remarkable resilience in the bear market. However, industry leaders believe that the current price of XRP does not reflect its true potential, prompting assessments of its fair market value. Valhill Capital recently published a report that sheds light on this matter. The research conducted by Valhill Capital to determine XRP's fair market value began almost 2 years ago. The company established a valuation committee comprised of financial experts in late 2021. Leveraging 6 different models, the committee aimed to ascertain a fair market value for XRP. The findings, which were unveiled this week, are quite astounding. According to Valhill Capital, XRP's fair market value ranges from a low estimate of $3,500 to a high estimate of $22,000. It's important to note that these figures do not represent predictions of XRP's future price, but rather approximate estimates of its market value, assuming no legal pressure from the SEC lawsuit and other external factors. The valuation heavily relies on the adoption of XRP by retail and institutional investors on a global scale as a store of value. However, the asset's adoption has been hindered by the caution exercised by various institutions to avoid potential SEC lawsuits. Prominent US-based exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken have delisted XRP, dampening its adoption rate. At a fair market value of $3,500, 100 XRP would be valued at $350,000, while 1,000 XRP would be worth an impressive $3.5 million. This represents a staggering increase of 706,399% compared to XRP's current value. Conversely, at the peak fair market value of $22,000, a little over 45 XRP would be enough to reach $1 million. Nevertheless, it's worth noting that some industry experts have expressed doubts about the accuracy of these assessments. Matt Hamilton, a former director at Ripple, voiced skepticism regarding the legitimacy of the document when its cover was previewed last month. While Hamilton questioned the efficiency of the report, he acknowledged that the Athi and Michnik A&M model, one of the models utilized in the study, appeared to be the most reasonable. Notably, according to the A&M model, XRP's fair market value ranges from $6.37 to $32.91. Despite varying opinions, there is a consensus that XRP would have attained a significantly higher value if it were not for the SEC lawsuit. Currently, XRP is trading at $0.4954, reflecting a 6.33% decline in the last 24 hours. Xrp New News Update. John Deaton, the attorney representing XRP holders and founder of Crypto Law, has emphasized the importance of the Custodia Bank case against the Federal Reserve, stating that it may be the most significant case in the cryptocurrency industry. While Ripple and Coinbase lawsuits are widely known, Deaton believes that the Custodia case is often overlooked. Deaton acknowledges that the SEC lawsuits against Ripple, Coinbase, and Binance are all important. However, he highlights the implications of the Custodia case, drawing parallels to the recent scenario involving Binance US. Binance US announced that its banking partners would pause fiat dollar withdrawal channels, suspending USD deposits shortly after the SEC filed a lawsuit against Binance and its CEO, Changpeng Zhao. Deaton argues that today, crypto companies still heavily rely on banking services for on- and off-ramps, making the Custodia case crucial. Custodia Bank presents a controversial and revolutionary idea, according to Deaton. The bank operates without engaging in fractional banking and maintains 100% reserves. By holding 100% reserves, the fear of a bank run becomes irrelevant since all funds and assets are backed by reserves. Deaton claims that the Federal Reserve dislikes this revolutionary concept and arbitrarily denied Custodia Bank a charter, ignoring its statutory mandate. As a result, Custodia sued the Fed, and the recent court ruling denied the Fed's motion to dismiss, allowing Custodia to proceed with the discovery phase. As attention turns to the unfolding of the Custodia case, the SEC lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase have also garnered significant attention, causing turmoil in the crypto industry. Currently, the altcoin market is experiencing a considerable sell-off, with some cryptocurrencies seeing a 30% discount. XRP, specifically, has declined by 7.61% in the last 24 hours, trading at 49 cents. Xrp New News Update. Aaron Sears, the managing director of the Americas at Ripple, holds an optimistic view regarding the transformative potential of blockchain and digital asset technology within the financial services industry, particularly in the realm of cross-border payments. During an interview with PYMNTS, Sears highlighted the pain points associated with traditional global payments, including issues of speed, reliability, transparency, and cost. He believes that blockchain and digital assets can effectively address these challenges and streamline cross-border payments. Sears pointed out that the current correspondent banking system is fragmented and inefficient, leading to slow, unreliable, and costly cross-border transactions. These inefficiencies significantly impact the decision-making processes of finance leaders. Sears also emphasized the burden of pre-funded accounts and the complexities inherent in traditional cross-border payments, such as wire cut-off times, holidays, and limited banking hours. He suggested that businesses should adopt a comprehensive, compliant, and secure all-in-one solution for cross-border payments to overcome these challenges. Blockchain and cryptocurrency-enabled payments offer real-time settlement and payout capabilities, enabling instant value transfer. Sears highlighted the 24th of July 365 availability of cross-border payments facilitated by blockchain and crypto. In a related development in the cross-border payment space, one of Ripple's key partners for their on-demand liquidity service, Bitso, processed an impressive $3.3 billion in remittances between the United States and Mexico in 2022. This figure more than doubled the previous year's volume. Sears commented on this achievement, emphasizing the significance of Ripple's collaboration with Bitso in revolutionizing cross-border payments in Mexico, a crucial region for Ripple's clients. Xrp New News Updates. Attorney John Deaton, the founder of Crypto Law, is taking action to represent users of Binance and Coinbase in the capacity of amici curiae, friend of the court, counsel following the Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) lawsuits against these exchanges. Deaton believes that the SEC does not prioritize the interests of retail cryptocurrency holders. He also asserts that Binance and Coinbase, as the two largest crypto exchanges, are primarily focused on their own well-being rather than directly addressing the concerns of their users. In an effort to represent customers' interests, Deaton shared a Google form where Binance and Coinbase users can provide their details if they wish to be represented in the SEC lawsuit. Similar to his approach in the SEC versus Ripple case, Deaton aims to establish a putative class of customers and crypto account holders. The purpose is to participate and potentially be granted amicus status to ensure that the voices of these users are heard. The Google form requires Coinbase and Binance customers to provide information such as their full names, emails, and the date they joined the trading platforms. Deaton, who currently represents over 75,000 XRP holders as amici curiae counsel in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, assures users that their information will not be shared with anyone else. He clarifies that the putative class formation is not related to whether Binance and Coinbase violated federal securities laws with their offerings. Deaton suggests that many people are tired of the SEC's actions and claims that its enforcement actions against crypto businesses are meant to protect investors. For those unable to use the Google form, Deaton encourages them to contact his office to have their details included in the list. Xrp New News Update. The rapid digitization of assets is expected to lead to approximately 5% to 10% of all assets having digital representations on distributed ledgers by 2030. This includes digital currencies, tokenized supply chain items, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. As companies seek efficient and secure solutions for digital asset custody and tokenization, a strategic alliance has been formed between Metaco and GFT. Metaco's institutional digital asset management platform, Harmonize, known for its high security and configurability, is being combined with GFT's expertise in smart contract and DLT network development and integration services. The goal of this partnership is to redefine the digital asset landscape and enable businesses in regulated and non-regulated industries, such as financial services, retail, and manufacturing, to integrate digital assets into their operations. The joint offering from GFT and Metaco allows companies to design customized digital asset solutions while maintaining control over their assets and processes. David Creer, Global DLT, Crypto, and e-money lead at GFT, emphasizes the importance of adopting distributed ledger technology for long-term business success, regardless of the industry. He also acknowledges the challenges businesses face in finding the right custody solutions, ensuring wallet management security, and achieving cost-effectiveness. The partnership aims to address these issues. The integrated solutions provided by GFT and Metaco offer cost-effectiveness through Harmonize's modular and specialized nature. The platform can be customized to offer tailored digital asset custody and tokenization services aligned with each institution's target operating model. Metaco's multi-layered security architecture eliminates single points of compromise, ensuring secure management of various digital asset classes. GFT's extensive experience in DLT and crypto projects facilitates smooth implementation, and the benefits for companies include the safest crypto custody deployment, 24/7 expert support, increased customer satisfaction, faster integration of crypto custody software, and comprehensive analysis of DLT projects. Seamus Donoghue, Chief Growth Officer at Metaco, highlights that the partnership simplifies the process for companies to benefit from the token economy. They are building business models on top of robust digital asset custody and smart contract management services. The GFT and Metaco partnership aims to assist companies at any stage of development, from crypto-focused startups to incumbent banks and digital asset custodians. Successful collaborations with TOG, VP Bank, and other regulated financial service institutions have already demonstrated the potency of this partnership. Xrp New News Update. The presence of Ripple billboards at Washington, D.C.'s Union Station, particularly one strategically positioned across from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, office entrance, has sparked speculation and discussion within the crypto community. Eleanor Terrett, a Fox Business journalist, drew attention to the billboard on Twitter, featuring the statement, "We're building a better future for finance." The placement of the billboard has raised questions about the intentions and implications behind it, especially considering Ripple's ongoing legal battles with the SEC. John Deaton, a prominent legal advocate in the Ripple community, responded to Terrett's tweet, suggesting that Ripple executives may not have been aware of the exact location of the billboard. He implied that it could be a coincidence rather than an intentional message to the SEC. However, the presence of Ripple billboards in such a prominent location cannot be ignored, given the company's legal dispute with the SEC over the alleged sale of unregistered securities. Ripple has recently made progress in its legal battle, with the court allowing its motion to compel the SEC to produce internal documents related to crypto. The attention drawn to the Union Station billboards adds an intriguing element to the ongoing Ripple SEC lawsuit. AIADA New News Update. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, has commented on Robinhood's decision to delist ADA, along with Polygon, Matic, and Solana, Sol. Hoskinson stated that he is not surprised that some entities prefer to exit the market rather than deal with a lack of clarity and contradictory guidance from regulators. He called on the legislative branch to pass consumer-oriented legislation that would restore clarity and integrity to the U.S. crypto market and bring it in line with other pro-crypto nations. Despite the ongoing crackdown on crypto businesses, Hoskinson emphasized that protocols like Cardano will continue to operate as intended, with millions of users worldwide building a new global financial system that is fair and accessible to the unbanked population. It's worth noting that the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has labeled ADA as a security in its lawsuits against major crypto exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase. This has caused concern within the ADA community, with speculation that the SEC may also target Input-Output Global, IOG, the team behind Cardano, for offering ADA as a security. Robinhood's decision to delist ADA, Matic, and Sol on June 27 has further added to the community's worries. Although the motive behind Robinhood's decision was not indicated, some speculate that it may be related to the SEC's lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase. AIADA New News Update. XRP has been performing well compared to the rest of the cryptocurrency market, leading to an increase in its market dominance. Analysts have predicted a potential rally for XRP, with a target price of 89 cents, representing an 82% surge. According to a chartist named JD, XRP's market dominance has seen impressive growth, clearing a 5.5-year downtrend that had slipped below in 2017. XRP broke out of the trendline in October 2020 and has remained above it since then. Altcoins and even Bitcoin pairings have been losing ground against XRP, leading to increased interest. JD identified a resistance point at the 3% mark, which has been a challenge for XRP since 2021. A breakout above this resistance would be considered bullish for the asset. Another chartist, Dark Defender, observed a hammer pattern on the XRP weekly and monthly charts, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Dark Defender highlighted important price targets at $0.5454.59, and expects XRP to reach $0.8917 soon, indicating an 82% increase from its current value. However, there is opposition to this analysis, with some pointing out that XRP might not have formed a hammer pattern. Additionally, XRP recently experienced a significant short-term dip, dropping by 8.62% in one morning. Its current price is below 50 cents, trading at $0.4897. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.